After unboxing all iPhone 17s, only one is worth your money in 2024. I've spent the last 48 hours with every model in the lineup, the standard 17 at $799, the new Air replacing the Plus at $999, and the Pro models starting at $1,099. Each promises something different, but after testing them side by side, the value proposition is clearer than Apple's marketing suggests. The standard iPhone 17 brings impressive upgrades, that 48MP dual fusion camera and the same A18 chip as the Pro models. The new Air is incredibly thin with that 6.3-inch display, but commands a $200 premium over the base model. And the Pro? It's got that vapor chamber cooling system that gamers will appreciate, plus those premium finishes in cosmic orange and deep blue. But here's my hot take. The standard iPhone 17 delivers 90% of the Pro experience at $300 less. The display is just as bright, the performance is identical for most tasks, and that new camera system takes stunning photos in any lighting. Unless you absolutely need that vapor cooling for intense gaming or the extra telephoto lens, the base model is the sweet spot this generation. Full reviews of each model coming next week. But if you're deciding right now, the standard 17 is the one that deserves your attention.